race before the award ceremony, and then the two biggies, the two 2,000 meter races. We've been racing 500 meters all day long, so this will be 4 times the length.
Next year? Yeah! You gonna do it again next year? Yeah! What we want to do? Win! Alright, here we go on 3. Guys, just remember that our season's over now. We'll do some stuff next week. Alright, so I'm serious. I'm serious. Start next week. Yeah. And next year, juniors, very dedicated, short and heavy practices. Plus the senior team, all members, will be any group. But with you, dedicated, motivated, alright, here we go. On the 3, 1, 2, 3, get up! KhmerKrom! KhmerKrom!
Good job, you guys. You guys do so good.
Oh, guys, go around. Here, everybody.
Here.
Everybody has to go.
Everybody here.
So I would like you guys to go around and then thank you. After we do our tour, I want every single one of you guys to go around and say thank you to the community here, okay? Alright? Okay. KKF partner. KKF partner. Alright, ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. KKF partner. 1, 2, 3. KKF partner. 1, 2, 3. KKF partner. Alright, guys. Well, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hey, bow down.
Thank you.
เอาลักจ้า
เอาก้นมิ่งเอาก้นมิ่ง
เอาลักเนี่ยเดิมนี่ยังมาลักเลย
All right, here we go with the women's A division final. That's the last heat we just had. In 4th place, Wasabi Power with a time of 2 minutes 83 seconds. 3rd place, Amazon Black 1:59.20. 2nd place, Wasabi Huge 1:54.92. And in your winner's circle, lane 2, Bridge City Blue 1:53.19.
Thank you, man. I'll keep you in touch with us.
All right. Maybe let's join again.
I'll definitely look him on that.
Yeah. Hey guys, you guys want to eat? Eat before we get the food. So you want to eat now?
Alright, we are waiting on the start. I think we got all 4 boats down there.
Wow,